Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited to introduce you to an incredible tool that has completely changed the way I work, create content, and solve problems. It's called Qwen, and it's one of the most advanced AI assistants available right now, and it's completely free to use. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is Qwen? Simply put, Qwen is a state-of-the-art AI developed by Alibaba Cloud. It's designed to assist you with almost anything, from generating high-quality text, solving complex math problems, coding, creating stories, poems, emails, scripts, and even helping you brainstorm ideas for projects or businesses. But here's the best part. Qwen doesn't just stop at one language. It supports over 40 languages, including English, Spanish, French, Chinese, Arabic, Persian, and many more. Whether you need help translating documents, writing multilingual content, or communicating globally, Qwen has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at some of Qwen's amazing features. 1. Content creation. Need to write an article, blog post, email, or even a story? Just ask Qwen, and it'll generate professional grade content tailored to your needs. 2. Problem solving. Struggling with math equations, physics problems, or programming challenges? Qwen can break them down step by step and provide clear solutions. 3. Multilingual support. As I mentioned earlier, Qwen speaks dozens of languages fluently, so whether you're learning a new language or working on global projects, this feature comes in handy. 4. Programming assistance. If you're into coding, Qwen can help you write code in various programming languages such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and more. Plus, it offers debugging tips and optimization suggestions. 5. Ethical and reliable. Qwen adheres to strict ethical guidelines, ensuring all information provided is accurate, respectful, and trustworthy. Now, let's talk about how you can start using Qwen. It's incredibly easy, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. To get started, visit the official website, qwen.ai. From there, click on Sign Up to create a free account. If you already have an account, you can log in directly. Once logged in, you will see a clean and user-friendly interface where you can interact with Qwen. There are different sections depending on the task you want to perform. 1. Text generation. Type your prompt or question in the chat box. And Qwen will respond instantly. Code writing. Select the programming section if you need help with coding. Image generation. You can also integrate it with other AI tools for image generation if needed. You can also use Qwen for video generation. You can customize Qwen's responses based on your preferences. For example, you can specify the tone, length, complexity, or even request humorous answers if you'd like. To make the most out of Qwen, here are a few tips. 1. Be specific. When asking questions or giving prompts, try to be as specific as possible. This helps Qwen understand your requirements better. 2. Experiment with different prompts. Don't hesitate to experiment with different types of requests. You might discover creative ways to use Qwen beyond its obvious applications. 3. Combine features. Mix and match features like text generation, translation, and problem solving to tackle complex tasks efficiently. 4. Stay updated. Since Qwen is constantly being improved, keep an eye on updates and new features that could enhance your experience. That's it for today's video. As you can see, Qwen is not only powerful, but also versatile and completely free to use. Whether you're a student, writer, developer, or entrepreneur, Qwen can become your ultimate assistant. So, head over to Qwen AI, sign up, and start exploring everything Qwen has to offer. Trust me, once you try it, you won't go back. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, and leave a comment below letting me know what you think of Qwen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.